Hi, today I will share some personal insights that I've learned through the years of life coaching. How I stay motivated most of the time. What I do when I'm feeling down. And why consistency is the most important word in 2022. So let me tell you how I stay motivated most of my time. I wake up at 5 a.m. so I can be a step ahead of the family. As they wake up at 7:30 a.m., I got a workout of an hour and then it's only 6 o'clock. I can meditate for another 10 minutes. Then I have an amazing shower and then I start my working day. This is how I stay motivated most of my time. That gives me an hour and a half to do what I need to do before everybody else is asking my help. So what I do is I do a workout at 5 a.m. till 6. So after that workout, I will have a shower and I have time to meditate before everybody wakes up. I get my to-do list ready so I can start my day knowing what I want to do. I start with planning some little goals that I can fit in bigger ones through the week. Of course, I got my monthly goals, my year goals, but I forget about them in the mornings. I only look in them once a week. I take my Sundays as my Sundays. In the morning are dedicated to my kids. In the afternoon, I have a look at what I've achieved through the week and what I can achieve next week, or what I have to improve. All these steps keep me motivated because I can see what I've been doing and what I've not been doing. This is how easy it is. Motivation for me includes having the right energy and having the best mindset. If I'm not energetic that day, if I'm tired, it is very difficult for me to stay motivated. So the energy includes having the right food, having enough water, stay hydrated. So if I have the right energy and have the right mindset, I can tackle anything that day. So I start with a workout so I have the right energy. I have a good breakfast, so I'm eating some healthy foods so I stay energized. And the mindset is helped by the meditation and also by the food and by the workout. So it's all around circle. And if something breaks, it will get fixed very soon. I don't leave my problems to get in front of me. I leave them fast behind. So if there is an issue, is there a goal that I cannot finish that day? Not a problem for me. I put it on the side. I got many days ahead. What I want to achieve is some goals. So I got smaller goals that I will achieve on the same day. The bigger ones is not an issue for me because I can always split them on more days. So by starting my day with a workout, tackling all my little goals, and having the right food in me, I stay motivated and hydrated with no problems. What I do when I'm feeling down. I always got a small picture book of my little kids, of my family, of my happy moments. That's on the side. I got my progress book. I always write down the things that I've done. At the moment that I feel I'm not progressing that day or I'm not going forward, what I just have to do is open the book with all the things I've done. So I know that I'm going forward. I'm not getting stuck. What it does to me is that I get unstuck on the moment itself. I know where I'm heading. I know why I'm doing it, what I'm doing. As I know where I'm heading, I know my purpose, I get unstuck very easy. Why consistency is the most important word for 2022. They've taken away so much liberty from us. I think that is the most beautiful thing that we got out of all these bad moments we just had. We have to work forward, and consistency is the only word that takes us from the beginning till the end. We start many new things. How many times do you start a new course online? How many times do you start a book without ending it? That's why consistency will be the most important word for 2022, because you will need to reinvent yourself. You're all very smart. You just have to find out what skills you lack of. Find them skills, change them habits, and make it happen. It's 2022. It just started. Where do you want to be on the end of this year? Let us know. We're here. We're here to support you. And I would love to help you and many, many others. Have an amazing day. And stay consistent. See you next time.